Hey everyone, in the ever-evolving world of mobile accessories, it's common to see users sticking to the same brand for both their phones and earbuds. This brand loyalty is particularly evident in China, where the most popular price range for true wireless noise-cancelling earbuds from domestic brands hovers around 500 yuan or $70. In June, Meizu introduced their latest addition to the market, the Meizu Live AI headphones. Initially launched in a pre-sale promotion, these headphones finally hit the shelves in August, and we've taken the opportunity to test them out. Featuring the LHDC and high-res logos prominently on the front, with key product features like Viper Atmos and Viper Master tape detailed on the back. The earphone box itself sports a traditional oval appearance with a slightly frosted finish, making it resistant to fingerprints. An indicator light and the Meizu logo adorn the front, contributing to a clean and premium look. Unlike the conventional top opening appearance, Meizu opted for a fully opening and closing appearance on the front, providing a smooth and satisfying experience when accessing the earphones. The earphones match the color scheme of the case, and although the feel of the earphones is slightly less premium compared to the case, their lightweight and compact appearance enhances wearing comfort. The earphones feature a handle-shaped appearance with a shorter drooping part, making them more comfortable to wear for extended periods. The Meizu Live AI earbuds are equipped with a balanced armature sound unit configuration, a result of a joint development effort with Noise. The earbuds feature a 5mm balanced armature unit paired with an 11mm dynamic woofer, delivering a well-rounded audio experience. The one-in-one balanced armature appearance ensures that the earbuds maintain a compact form factor, avoiding the bulkiness that can sometimes affect the wearing experience. At the heart of the noise reduction system is Sony CXD3784 professional noise reduction chip, the same one used in Sony's renowned WF-1000XM5 and WH-1000XM4 models. This chip delivers exceptional noise reduction performance, allowing the Meizu Live AI to compete with higher-end models, despite its more affordable price point. Meizu has also incorporated the Noise listening curve for tuning, ensuring a natural and enjoyable audio experience. The earphones support the LHDC codec, offering high-quality audio with low latency, allowing users to appreciate the nuances and emotions in their music. The noise reduction capabilities of the Meizu Live AI headphones are impressive, with a maximum noise reduction depth of 45 decibels and a noise reduction bandwidth of 4000 Hz. The AI Call noise reduction system, which uses 3 microphones, effectively identifies and reduces multiple noise sources in the environment through an independent AI algorithm. In practical use, whether navigating noisy city streets or commuting in heavy traffic, users can enjoy a peaceful listening experience and maintain clear call quality. The earphones are also optimized for wind noise, making them ideal for outdoor activities. When it comes to audio performance, the Meizu Live AI earbuds deliver a sound profile that leans towards the popular end of the spectrum. The high frequencies are well defined with good extension, offering a bright and transparent sound without being harsh. Vocals are warm and forward, reflecting Noise's signature style, and the emotional expression of the vocals is well conveyed. Instrument separation is commendable, with no noticeable conflict between instruments, though the soundstage is somewhat limited, and wind instrument performance is average. At a price of just $70, the Meizu Live AI earbuds offer exceptional value. They deliver a pleasant experience across the board, from comfort to sound quality and noise reduction performance. These earphones have the potential to challenge flagship models, making them a solid choice for anyone looking for high-quality wireless earphones at an affordable price. If you're already using a Meizu phone, the Live AI earbuds are a perfect companion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.